In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off syncing in Gmail. To do this, you will be working in Google Chrome because the syncing setting that affects Gmail and other Google services is managed through your Chrome profile. Turning sync off can be useful if you are using a shared computer, if you are troubleshooting account issues, or if you simply want to stop Chrome from sharing your browsing data and settings across devices. Start by opening the Google Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see your profile icon there. It might look like a small picture, an initial, or a generic person symbol. Click that profile icon to open the profile menu. In the menu that appears, find the line that shows your sync status. It will typically say something like "Sync is on." Select that sync status line. This will take you to the sync settings area for your profile, where you can manage what Chrome syncs and whether syncing is enabled at all. On the sync page, locate the Turn Off button near your profile information. This button is usually close to where your profile name appears. Click the Turn Off button to begin turning syncing off. After you click Turn Off, a confirmation pop-up will appear. In that pop-up, you may see a checkbox option that lets you clear data from the device. Check the box if you want to remove locally stored Chrome data from this computer, such as history, bookmarks, passwords, and other synced items that may be saved on the device. This is a helpful option on public or shared computers, or anytime you want to leave less personal data behind. If you are on your own computer and you want to keep that local data, leave the box unchecked. Finally, to confirm your choice, click the blue Turn Off button in the pop-up. Once you do that, Chrome will stop syncing for this profile, and your Gmail experience in Chrome will no longer be connected to Chrome Sync across your devices. And that is all there is to it.